Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Piyush Goyal, and today we are diving into the application administration fundamental in TIBCO BusinessWorks 6. We will explore how to deploy and manage these applications using various tools and techniques. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's begin by understanding the concept of BusinessWorks runtime environment. Applications are deployed into the runtime environment using the BWAdmin utility. This utility provides command for managing applications, configurations, and resources. This environment consists of different entities that deploy and execute applications, ensuring smooth operations. So let's explore this entity one by one. So let's start with BWAdmin, which is a command line tool for managing TIBCO Active Matrix BusinessWorks runtime environment. With BWAdmin, we can use simple commands to do things locally as well as remotely. It's like a giving instruction to a virtual assistant. You can use it to explore, run single commands, or carry out series of tasks. I mean, in nutshell, BWAdmin is a powerful tool for taking care of different parts of BusinessWorks. Now, let's focus on the first entity, the domain. I mean, picture it as a virtual neighborhood where applications reside within their own isolated spaces. This isolation ensures that each application operates independently, free from interference from others. Additionally, the domain facilitates structured management, allowing us to organize application and resources effectively. Now, let's shift our focus to the app space. Within domain, there is an essential component responsible for providing a runtime environment for hosting and executing application. The app space serves two crucial purposes. First, it provides an execution environment, ensuring that applications have the necessary resources to run smoothly. Secondly, it offers scalability, allowing us to adjust the size of the environment by adding or removing app nodes. This flexibility ensures that our application can adapt to changing demands and scale effortlessly. Creating an app space is done using the command as shown on your screen. Finally, we have app nodes, the workhorse of our runtime environment. These are like the caretakers within the app space, responsible for hosting and executing application with precision and efficiency. AppNode handles application hosting and execution within the Java virtual machine, ensuring optimal performance. Additionally, they manage the allocation of resources, ensuring that each application receives the necessary resources to operate. Thank you guys. That is all for the today.